Ever dreamt of a land where ancient temples whisper secrets to the wind, where neon-drenched cities pulse with electric energy, and where serene landscapes melt into breathtaking coastlines? Welcome to Japan, a nation that effortlessly blends tradition with modernity, offering a sensory explosion unlike any other. Prepare to embark on a journey that will captivate your senses, challenge your perceptions, and leave you breathless. From the snow-capped peaks of the Japanese Alps to the vibrant coral reefs of Okinawa, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil gardens of Kyoto, this isn't just a travel video, it's an invitation to experience the magic of Japan. Get ready to discover a land of contrasts, a land of wonders, a land that will forever hold a piece of your heart. Our adventure begins in Tokyo, a city that defies definition. A whirlwind of neon lights, cutting-edge technology, and ancient traditions coexist seamlessly. Witness the organized chaos of Shibuya Crossing, the heart-stopping scramble of thousands of pedestrians. Explore the whimsical streets of Harajuku, where fashion knows no bounds and creativity reigns supreme. Find solace in the tranquil oasis of Shinjuku-Gyoen National Garden, a serene escape from the urban frenzy. Taste the incredible culinary diversity, from Michelin-starred restaurants to bustling ramen shops. Tokyo is a city of extremes, a city of surprises, a city that will leave you forever amazed. Journey back in time to Kyoto, Japan's ancient capital, a city steeped in history and tradition. Marvel at the shimmering gold of Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion, a breathtaking masterpiece of Zen architecture. Wander through the thousands of vibrant red torii gates of Fushimi Inari Shrine, a mystical pathway winding up a mountainside. Lose yourself in the enchanting streets of Gion, hoping to catch a glimpse of a geisha gracefully gliding through the ancient wooden buildings. Kyoto is a city that whispers stories of emperors, samurai, and geishas, a city that captures the essence of traditional Japan. Hiroshima, a city forever etched in history, stands as a testament to human resilience and the enduring power of peace. Visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park and Museum, a poignant reminder of the devastating atomic bombing and a powerful call for global peace. Reflect on the profound impact of this event and the city's remarkable journey toward rebuilding and reconciliation. Hiroshima's story is one of hope, reminding us of the importance of peace and understanding in a world often scarred by conflict. Osaka, a city renowned for its vibrant culture and culinary delights, offers a completely different experience than Tokyo or Kyoto. Explore the dazzling lights and electrifying atmosphere of Dotonbori, a street food paradise. Marvel at the grandeur of Osaka Castle, a symbol of the city's rich history. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere of local markets, where fresh seafood, delicious street food, and unique local products abound. Osaka is a city that will tantalize your taste buds and ignite your senses. City of Nara, Japan, which is famous for its historical temples and the Nara Park where numerous deer roam freely. The city is home to significant cultural landmarks, including Todaiji Temple, housing a giant Buddha statue, and Kasuga Taisha Shrine, known for its beautiful lanterns. The presence of the deer, considered messengers of the gods in Shinto belief, adds a unique aspect to Nara's cultural landscape. Step into a world of ancient temples and friendly deer in Nara. Explore Nara Park, home to hundreds of wild deer that roam freely among the ancient shrines and temples. Visit Todaiji Temple, housing a giant bronze Buddha statue, a truly awe-inspiring sight. Wander through the enchanting Kasuga Taisha Shrine, famous for its thousands of stone and bronze lanterns. Nara is a city that offers a unique blend of nature and culture, creating a truly memorable experience. Escape to the tranquil beauty of Hakone, a mountain resort town nestled in the shadow of Mount Fuji. Cruise across the serene waters of Lake Ashi, surrounded by stunning views of the volcano. Ride the Hakone Ropeway, offering panoramic views of volcanic hot springs and breathtaking landscapes. Indulge in the rejuvenating experience of an onsen, a traditional Japanese hot spring, and soak away your stress amidst stunning natural surroundings. Hakone is a perfect getaway for relaxation and rejuvenation. Kanazawa, a city rich in history and culture. Explore Kanrakwan Garden, one of Japan's 3 most beautiful landscape gardens, a masterpiece of horticultural artistry. Wander through the charming Higashi Chaya district, a well-preserved geisha district with traditional tea houses. Visit Kanazawa Castle, a stunning example of Japanese castle architecture. Kanazawa is a city that effortlessly blends tradition and beauty, offering a glimpse into Japan's rich cultural heritage. Kanazawa stands as a testament to Japan's rich heritage, offering a tangible connection to its samurai past while showcasing the artistry of Japanese gardening. The combination of the Samurai District and Kanrakwan Garden provides a unique experience for visitors, inviting them to appreciate both historical architecture and the natural beauty of meticulously crafted landscapes. This balance of culture and nature creates a serene atmosphere that highlights the essence of traditional Japanese living, making Kanazawa a must-visit destination for those looking to explore Japan's rich history and artistry. Journey to Nikko, a mountain town famous for its stunning natural beauty and intricate shrines. Marvel at the elaborate architecture and ornate carvings of Toshogu Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the serene beauty of Lake Chizenji, nestled amidst towering mountains and lush forests. Hike through the breathtaking landscapes, discovering waterfalls, lush forests, and panoramic views. Nikko offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance.